Mother's Day is right around the corner, and I'm sure if you're like me, you've procrastinated and you have no idea what you're gonna get her. But I am here to help. I'm going to be showing you how to make a gift that lasts a lifetime. And this gift is one they will love and use all the time, every day. And you're probably wondering what it is. It is a personalized lampshade. Okay, so this one I made for my grandpa for his birthday. This one I made for my Nana for Mother's Day this year. So Nana, please don't watch this until after Mother's Day. Okay, so now for pricing. This lampshade we got at Walmart for about $12. You can get them at Hobby Lobby, Tom Thumb, Target, Michael's. This glue gun can be purchased at any craft store and most grocery stores. And it usually comes with glue sticks, but if you need refills, they are right next to them on the aisle. The glue gun is about $15 and the refill sticks were about $4. And these pictures we got at Walgreens for probably about $4. Okay, so let's get started. But I feel like I'm missing something. A cute little helper! Hi, Addie!
Let's use this picture. Jordan, the glue gun isn't even plugged in.
Well, that's silly. We should plug it in. Okay, so the first step is obviously to plug in the glue gun, but then you are going to take a picture and take the glue gun, and you are just going to fill out the outline on the back. And then make sure not to touch it because it is very hot. Okay, so now the glue's ready to go, and you simply just stick it on. And our first picture is there.
Let's put on the other pictures. Next up, we're gonna do this picture.
We have here is a little bit of white space, and we're doing that so that way you can write personalized messages later on whenever we're done. Alright guys, so we're finally putting on the last picture. And this white space right here. Addie, do you have my glue stick ready?
No.
We're struggling, guys. Okay, and we put it on right there. Alright guys, we are all done, and I hope that this helped you find a gift for a friend or a family member. Bye guys, hope this helped.
I just wanted to let you know this is the lamp that my daughter made for me for Mother's Day last year. One of the best presents I've ever had. It's amazing. I love looking at it every single night, seeing different pictures. You can turn it, you can change the pictures, which is great. And all my kids love it too when they come in the mornings and we just go through it.
Hey everybody, so today I'm going to be making
The glue gun, the glue gun. Good.
And then this is the most important part, obviously, and that would be Starbucks, which was purchased at Starbucks. All the time. Jordan's casually trying to peel the glue off the table. Hey.